The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 52. I'm recording this from the Lisbon House studio on Saturday the 21st of October 2023, and I really shouldn't be here today. I should be out on the cut. I had planned to take the swamp duck out on a journey for quite a few days really. I've got a window of spare time and I wanted to get out and do some filming and do some of the series just off the towpath, and I'd got 4 places all lined up to film. But Storm Babbitt has got other ideas, and it's been really torrential rain in the UK over the last few days. It really started on Thursday, and by Friday I'd had a notification from the marina at Sawley that first of all we had to go and check the boats to make sure the ropes were okay and that kind of thing, and then it told us that we couldn't actually visit the marina from sort of 8 o'clock this morning because they're expecting the marina to be in flood. And looking at the charts and the rainfall that we've had in the last few days, it seems that there's going to be some records broken somewhere, and the river level of the Trent is extremely high and quite dangerous. So obviously I'm not going anywhere, and it's going to take quite a few days for all this water to disperse so that I can actually do this filming. But obviously the window of opportunity that I have is getting shorter by the day. So we'll see how we go with that one. I do have some cunning plans for alternative filming, so don't worry, there won't be a shortage of videos anytime soon. My next premiere video showing will be at 8 AM on Saturday the 4th of November 2023, and that's the return of the swamp duck when we came back down the tidal Trent from Lincoln. We put all of the return stages together into one video. So join me for the premiere showing of that video on Saturday the 4th of November 2023 at 8 a.m. So thank you very much for all your support, and as always, do take care.